You may recall not too long ago I discovered Pulse, which is a monitoring system for Proxmox. Well, there's competition for Pulse now. So in this video, we're going to take a look at Pulse and we're going to compare it to the newcomer Proxmenux monitor. Let's get started. Okay, what you see here on your screen is Pulse. Pulse is a monitoring system for Proxmox. You can have multiple Proxmox servers, Proxmox VE servers, added into Pulse and be able to monitor them. As you can see, I've got Proxmox 1, 2, and 3 installed on here, and they're being monitored. It gives you information about storage, and it gives you information about backups. If you notice here, you can also have Proxmox backup server integrated with this and be able to see the status on some of the snapshots and other backups. In addition, you've got monitoring for Docker, which I don't have any Docker hosts currently configured. You get alerts over here. This is mostly telling you when things are powered off or when there are errors. Most of this is me powering stuff off and deleting VMs that I don't need. In preparation for today, I changed out a disk in the PVE02 host. We've got settings. You can add Proxmox hosts here. They do not have to be part of a cluster. They can be individual hosts. And it gives you different things for configuring backup server, the mail gateway, your Docker host you can configure, and it gives you some system and diagnostic information here as well. Now, it's worth noting that Pulse is at version 4.25 as of today. Let's move over to Proxmenux and take a look. As you can see, there's a little bit of a delay in gathering the information, but it does give you a clean interface, and at a glance, this is not bad. It's very workable. So storage, it gives you information about the disks on the Proxmox host, gives you some network information, VMs and containers, hardware, including your CPU and motherboard, memory modules, and thermal monitoring for the CPU cores, graphics cards, PCI devices, power consumption, system fans, and network summary and storage summary. And finally, you get system logs over here. Now, it's worth noting that Proxmenux monitor is at version 1.0.0 as of today. Obviously, Pulse has a little bit of a head start. One of the other issues that I've noticed is that currently, unless I've completely missed something, which is very possible, but currently, Proxmenux gets installed on each Proxmox node separately. Whereas with Pulse, you are basically installing it in a container and then getting a sort of agent on each of the other nodes to be able to collect information. So there are a few pros and cons of each system, but the nice thing is that we've got some choice. So, what would you use each of these for? If you've got a one-off system, then the Proxmenux solution may be better for you. However, if you've got multiple machines, whether they are in a cluster or not, then you may want to look at Pulse, just because it can get status information for multiple machines all in one space and not have to bounce between different dashboards to see that information. So what do you think? Let me know in the comments which of the two systems you are more likely to use. I will put links in the description for both of them. You can check them out on your own and leave some feedback, hit the like button, and I will see you in the next video. Have a great day.